In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your device. Once it's running, load the PDF you need to sign by selecting it from your recent files or using the Open option. It's a good idea to confirm you're in Acrobat Pro so you have access to all the signing tools. Next, bring up the signing tools. You can do this in one of two ways. Choose Fill and Sign from the All Tools panel on the left, or select eSign from the top bar. Both routes will take you to the tools you need. As a quick note, Fill and Sign is perfect for signing a document yourself, while eSign is aimed at sending documents out for others to sign. For now, we'll focus on adding your own signature. In the toolbar that appears, click Add Signature. A pop-up will open with 3 creation methods, so pick the one that suits you best. If you choose Type, simply enter your name and select from the available cursive styles. This is fast and clean, and it works well if you don't have a handwritten version handy. Keep in mind, it's a stylized font, not your actual handwriting, so use it when a neat, professional look is enough. If you choose Draw, use your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus to write your signature. Take your time and try a few passes until it looks natural. If your lines look jagged with a mouse, a trackpad, or touchscreen usually gives smoother curves. If you choose Image, upload a clear scan or photo of your handwritten signature, ideally as a high-contrast PNG or JPG. For best results, write with a dark pen on plain white paper, crop the image tightly, and, if possible, use a transparent background so there's no visible box around the signature. After you create the signature, place it by clicking where it should appear in the document. You can drag it to fine-tune the position. Use the corner handles on the bounding box to resize it. Scale from a corner to keep the proportions consistent. Zoom in for precise placement, especially if you're aligning with signature lines or date fields. When everything looks right, save your document to finalize the changes. Consider using Save As to keep an original copy untouched just in case you need to make edits later. That's it. You've added a professional, reusable signature in Adobe Acrobat Pro quickly and confidently.